Hello, my name is Dr. Anamika Joshi. I'm an oculoplasty surgeon, that means an eye plastic surgeon. I practice in Hyderabad. Today we are going to talk about why is ptosis surgery important or why should you get it done. So ptosis means that the eye is droopy since birth. That means one eye may look smaller than the other eye, or you might have both the eyes appearing droopy and dull. So let me navigate you through few reasons as to why should you get the surgery done. Let us do that age group wise. Now first talking about kids or people who are born with ptosis, that means they have congenital ptosis since birth. Now in kids who have congenital ptosis, if the ptosis is a little more and if it's blocking their vision, then it will hamper their visual development. We see the world through two eyes, and based on what we see, our visual cortex develops. Now, if only one eye is seeing properly and the other eye, the vision is blocked by ptosis, then that side of the visual cortex will never be able to develop. This development happens before 8 years of age and it's almost complete by that time. And by that time, if we don't treat ptosis, then the child will never be able to see properly, even if you do the surgery later. So it's very important in congenital ptosis, if the vision is getting blocked, then the surgery has to be done timely. In fact, we have operated children which are only like 6 months old so that their visual development is not getting hampered. Secondly, in case if the vision is not getting hampered, another way it can cause visual problem is by giving cylinder power to the eye. What happens is the ptotic eye or the lid which is little down causes pressure on the eyeball or pressure on the cornea. That changes the shape of the cornea a little bit and produces some cylinder power. We have had children who have had power from -1 to -4 and it can vary. So if you correct ptosis in time, the probability of child getting that cylinder power will reduce. Thirdly, what we have seen is that in children, especially in teenagers, in case if they have ptosis, their confidence level really gets affected. There have been numerous studies done to show that how ptosis affects the psychological status of a child. Earlier studies showed that this usually happens at 12 years of age when they start losing their confidence because of ptosis, but newer studies have shown that child as early as 5 years of age can get confidence issues even at that little age. This happens mainly because people they keep asking as to what happened to your eye, and those questions really affect them mentally. So you need to assess even this aspect, that whether the confidence level of your child is getting affected or not. A lot of time parents may not realize and children may not directly tell their parents, but these things do exist. Coming to later part of life, that is in adulthood. In case if the vision development is fine and the ptosis is only mild, another very important issue that happens in adulthood is cosmetic. That means again lack of confidence, cosmetic reasons, especially usually before marriages, and that becomes a big problem. It shows up in all the pictures that you take, that one eye appears smaller than the other. Cosmetic reason is one of the most common reasons why adults get surgeries done, because the vision part is usually already either it has been hampered or it is not that severe. However, apart from cosmetic, another problem that adults face is postural problems. If they have ptosis in both the eyes, yes, will look dull, they will look sleepy. Other than that, they'll continuously use their neck and they'll continuously try to adjust their face. This over a time period will cause problems in the neck. So, if you have dull, droopy eyes, especially if it's there in both eyes, it can be corrected and all these problems will be solved. Initially, you may not realize this when you just have ptosis, but once you do the surgery, you'll suddenly feel much better. Your vision will improve because the superior field restriction that the ptosis was causing, that means the upper part of the world was not that visible when you have ptosis, will suddenly become visible and you'll realize that, oh, your vision was actually supposed to be better. and it was getting blocked by ptosis. So in adults, though cosmetic reasons are one of the main reasons why adults get ptosis surgery done, but vision, posture, and overall look of the face improves. So a very common problem that people face is, the comments like, why are you looking dull, why are you looking sleepy? And it can happen because of just mild ptosis. Dull eyes or eyes which don't look visually appealing, don't look beautiful, could just be because of mild ptosis, and correcting them improves the confidence and improves the beauty of the eyes to a lot of extent. Vision, superior visual field improvement, posture improvement are such great benefits. And in a child, as I said, if the vision is blocking, it can completely cause lazy eye or amblyopia if it is not corrected well in time. So, if you have ptosis, you need to visit an oculoplasty surgeon to understand that what could go wrong if you don't do ptosis surgery in time in your case. And if you are being advised that surgery, you can definitely go for it. The success rates are very good based on the variety of ptosis you have or the degree of ptosis you have. And if you want to consult us, our clinic is in Hyderabad. You can see the contact details in the description, the address. If you're outside Hyderabad, you can also do video consultation. You can send your pictures on WhatsApp and then you can register for a video consultation. So, thank you.